Welcome back to Fab Automotive Detailing. In this video, we're going to take a look at the IK Foam 2. Let's do it. So I'm hoping that this is going to be a quick and easy video, you guys. But I first off want to start off by saying thank you to Jason Davis for sending me the IK Foam 2, and he is the one that sent me the original IK Foamer. Now, there are a few things about this that I really like versus this. And I'm gonna hold both of my hands, hopefully I can show you guys. So the first thing I like is the base. This has a nice flat surface. As you can see, this one can actually tip over easy if you just barely nudge it. So one thing I didn't like about this one, as you can tell, this one is a 35 ounce. This one is actually a 50 ounce, so it's definitely bigger. The tips are pretty much the same, as you can see here. Now, one thing that I really hated about this one, it works great, foam's great, no problem. But maybe it's just me, but I'd set it down to do what I needed to do, clean the wheels, clean the tires, whatever. I'd go to pick it back up and I would hit this trigger and it would spray. It drove me nuts. Well, they fixed that. See this button right here, this red one? So right now it's on safety. You can't press it down. Do that to actually be able to press the trigger down. So they thought about that, and that is really cool. They thought about the detailers, and probably somebody said, hey, can you put some type of safety on there so that thing won't go down? Or either that or they had a problem with it. Down in here, you have your tips. Take this cap off. Your tips are up in here. You just turn it upside down to put your tips back in and put the cap back on. So it stores in the handle, unlike this one, does not store in the handle at all. This is going to be a quick video. Jason Davis, I want to say thank you once again for sending this to me. I know it took me a while to get to this video, and I am way behind on the IK Foam 2. It's been out for a long time. I had a crazy year last year, you guys. We were just so busy. I didn't get a chance to do it, Jason. I feel bad, but now we're gonna at least just see how well it foams. There probably won't be a lot of talking. I'll probably just take a couple clips of me foaming the wheels and tires, and that's it. That's what it's for. It's not, this video is not to show you me cleaning the wheels and tires or anything like that. It's just gonna see how well this foams. I put 35 ounces of water and 7 ounces of P&S Brake Buster. So a mixed ratio of 5:1 in the foamer. And as you guys know, Brake Buster foams up really good. So I'm really interested in seeing how well this works. All right, so I got it pumped all the way up, you guys. Let's see what happens. Oh, safety's on. That trigger is so much better than that other trigger. I can tell you that already. Oh, I like this. The foam is just clinging. Look at that. It's just barely running off. That is perfect. That's what you want. Okay, you guys, I am very happy with the IK2 foamer. It is very, very good. I love the trigger. It's so much better than the other trigger. I love that I can lock it. When I pump it up, it doesn't seem to take as long to pump up, and I can actually use it longer before I have to pump it up again. I can actually do a whole tire, whole wheel, and the whole wheel well. By the time I get to the last part of the wheel well, it starts to fade out, which is very, very good compared to the old version. So IK foam, IK knocked it out of the park with this foamer right here. I know I'm way behind on reviewing something like this, but since a subscriber sent it to me, I will always make a video on a product that somebody sends to me, especially a subscriber, and I am really happy with this product right here. Once again, I want to say thank you to Jason Davis. Buddy, I really appreciate you. He has sent me two now. The one I showed you earlier, he sent me, and the number 2 IK foamer he sent to me as well. I really appreciate you, Jason. You have been a big supporter of my channel for a long time, always commenting, always in the live streams, really supporting the Fab channel and the Fab family, man, and we all appreciate you in the Fab family. So if you guys liked the video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button while you're down there, smash that notification bell so the next time I upload a video, you will get notified, and we'll see you in the next video.